Welcome. Today we're looking at the Premium Tech Universal Battery Charger. What I like about this one is it does have a rotating, it rotates 360 so you can fit different types of batteries. It is AC powered. Here are the input 110 volt, okay, 200 mAh max, and you can just simply connect it to AC. And here are the pins, and I'm going to demonstrate several different batteries that I have here. One of the battery chargers that I lost was for this kind of battery here. This is a Canon battery for digital camera. Let me demonstrate it on this particular one. So you can see when you put it in, if it's not fitting, all you have to do is rotate this. Okay, and that's going to give you more space to work with. And we're just simply going to line up the pins here. Okay, once you have it set, you're going to plug it in. In red, it means that it's charging, or if it's red, it's charging the battery. Once it turns green, that means your battery is ready to go. Let me demonstrate some other batteries here. So we have a Sony G battery. What we're going to do is line up the pins. And now your Sony G battery, see it's red. Once it's green, it means it's ready charged. But how about the old Fuji batteries? Let's try that. Now it's charging the old Fuji batteries. Okay, so now we have a longer battery. You can see that it's charging this longer battery. We just adjusted the rotating vessel here. Hey, how about old Samsung battery? You just move the pins and line them up with the plus and minus sign, and now you can see that it's charging the old Samsung battery as well. Beyond batteries, you can also connect the USB port. It has a USB port on it that is at the bottom, and we can charge our phone via the USB port. So you can see it's charging the phone. How about an external light? See, we connected the light and it's turning on. So overall, it works with multiple devices, easy to maneuver the pins, and you can rotate this to fit any kind of batteries. You can do it that way, you can do it this way. I think it's a really good way to charge any batteries, especially if you lost the chargers for the batteries. This is a good way to do it.